Drug activities suspected behind double murder in Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Clarendon police are theorizing that Wednesday's murder of two men in Banks District near Racecourse in the parish may have been drug-related. The deceased have been identified as 28-year-old laborer Tevin Offsfield of Gimme Bit and 24-year-old Brandon Thompson of Racecourse both in Clarendon. Reports are that sometime around 3:45 p.m., residents alerted the police after hearing loud explosion coming from the area. On arrival of law enforcement officers, the bodies of the men were found some 800 meters apart in bushes in the area, with gunshot wounds to the upper part of their bodies. The men were transported to hospital where they were pronounced dead. Head of the Clarendon Police, Acting Senior Superintendent Carlos Russell, is appealing to a man identified as Derek Hamilton to report to the nearest police station. Russell believes that Hamilton can assist law enforcement officers with their probe in relation to the killing. Meanwhile, Russell said that the area in which the men were killed is known for facilitating drug activities. At least one of the deceased men is known to us and is a person we have been targeting as it relates to drug-related offenses. So we believe that these murders were as a result of some drug-related activities, Russell indicated. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.